First problem. A line is drawn perpendicular to 5x, which is equal to y plus 7. Right? The area of the triangle formed by this line with coordinate axis is 10 square feet units. Given line is 5x is equal to y plus 7, that is 5x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. We know that the equation of the line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is in the form bx minus ay plus k, which is equal to 0, where k is a constant. Hence the line perpendicular to 5x minus y minus 7 equal to 0 is minus x plus 5y plus k equal to 0, right? So that is equation number 1. So given that the area of the triangle OAB formed by 1 with x and y axis is 10 square units. That is, they have given area of the triangle formed by the line with coordinate axis, that is x and y axis, right, is 10 square units. So x dash x axis, y dash y axis, O is the origin, this is the line 5x, which is equal to y plus 7, or 5x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. So this is the triangle, right? So area of that triangle is 10 square units, right? So we know that the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. We know x-axis equation, y is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Then y-axis is x is equal to 0, right? That is equation number 3, right? So let A, O and B be the point of intersection of the lines 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3 and 1 respectively, right? So x-axis and the given line 5x minus y minus 7, right, that is A. Then y-axis and the line given line 5x minus y minus 7 equal to 0, that is B. Then coordinate axis x-axis and y-axis point of intersection is O, origin, that is that we know, right, 0 comma 0. To find the coordinate of A, the point of intersection of 1 and 2, put y is equal to 0 in 1, so minus x plus 5 into 0 plus k equal to 0, so minus x plus k equal to 0, that implies x is equal to k. Therefore the coordinates of A are k comma 0, right? Next, to find the coordinate of O, point of intersection of 2 and 3, that is origin 0 comma 0, that we know, right? So this is 0 comma 0. Next we are going to find the coordinates of B, point of intersection of 3 and 1. Put x is equal to 0 in 1, 0 minus 0 plus 5y plus k equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to minus k by 5. So coordinate of B are 0 comma minus k by 5, right? Now we know the area of the triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is of y1 into x2 minus x3 plus y2 into x3 minus x1 plus y3 into x1 minus x2. So here x1, y1 is k comma 0, x2, y2 is 0 comma 0, x3, y3 is 0 comma minus k by 3, right, k by 5, right? So substituting in the value, area of the triangle OAB is equal to half into 0 into 0 minus 0, 0 into 0 minus k by 5 into k minus 0. So that is equal to 1 by 2 minus k in k by 5 into k square by 5. That is minus k square by 10. So given area of the triangle is OAB is equal to 10. So we are taking modulus value, that is why k square by 10. So equating area of the triangle, already we found k square by 10, but they have given 10. So k square by 10 equal to 10. So k square equal to 100, 10 into 10, right? So k is equal to plus or minus 10. The required perpendicular line equation is minus x plus 5 plus or minus 10. Plus 10 one equation, minus 10 another equation, right? So that is the equation. We need to find the line perpendicular to the given line, right? Next problem. Find the least two equation of the straight line in the family of the lines y is equal to 5x plus b, right? For which b and the x coordinate of the point of intersection of the line with 3x minus 4y, which is equal to 6, are integers, right? So given family of line y is equal to 5x plus b, so that is 5x minus y plus b equal to 0, that is equation number 1. And the given line, another line, they have given 3x minus 4y, which is equal to 6, that is 3x minus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0, that is equation number 2. To find the point of intersection of 1 and 2, so we are using cross multiplication method, right? X, y, 1. So we are taking first equation, so starting from coefficient of y minus 1, b 5 minus 1. Then second equation, minus 4 minus 6 3 minus 4. Then x is equal to, just to do the cross multiplication, minus 1 into minus 6 6, minus of minus 4 into b plus 4b, numerator. Denominator, so you take 1, right, constant term. So we are considering the 4 numbers under 1. 4 into minus 4, that is minus 20, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. So 6 plus 4b by minus 17. Similarly y. So 3b into minus of minus 6 into 5 plus 30 divided by the same minus 17, right? So condition for x is an integer, right? They said, right, x coordinate of the point of intersection of the line 3x minus 4y equal to 0 and y equal to 5x plus b, right? X coordinate is an integer, right? So x is an integer, so we know x coordinate, so x is an integer implies, so x coordinate 6 plus 4b by minus 17 is an integer. So that means 6 plus 4b is divisible by 17, then only if it is exactly divisible by 17, then only it will become integer, right? Suppose if we are having 17 by minus 17, minus 17 by minus 17, then you will get 1 minus 1, or 2 into 17 by 17, multiple of 17, right, r, right? So then 6 plus 4b is divisible by 17, that means 6 plus 4b is multiple of 17, 17, 2 into 17, 3 into 17, 4, all divisible by 17, right? So 6 plus 4b is multiple of 17. So the possibilities are 6 plus 4b equal to 17, 2 into 17, 34, 3 into 17, 51, 4 into 17, 68, etc., etc., right? So that is third equation. But 6 plus 4b equal to, so 2 is common there, right? 6, 2 into 3 and 2 into 2, 4. So taking 2 outside, 2 into 3 plus 2b. So 6 plus 4b is a multiple of 2, correct? 2 into something, right? So that is an even number. 2 into anything is an even number. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, whatever it is, 2 into n, whatever it is an even number, right? That is 4. Now from 3 and 4, right, the possibilities of 6 plus 4b equal to, so we are taking even numbers only, right? We remove odd numbers from that from that set, right? 34, 68, 102, etc., etc., right? If 6 plus 4b equal to 34, right, 4b equal to 34 minus 6, that is equal to 28. Therefore b is equal to 28 by 4, which is equal to 7. So 7 is an integer. So they have given b is also an integer. So we have to take the numbers, right, the even numbers such that b is an integer, right? So b is equal to 7. So first value 6 plus 4b equal to 34. That is correct, right? Next, if 6 plus 4b equal to 68, second number, 4b is equal to 68 minus 6, that is equal to 62. So 62 by 4, 15.5, it is not an integer, right? So we cannot take that number. Next we are going to 102. 6 plus 4b is equal to 102. 4b is equal to 102 minus 6, that is 96. b is equal to 96 by 4, 24. It is an integer. So we are having two numbers, least number. First two numbers, b is equal to 7, b is equal to 24. Therefore, from 1 the required equations are 5x minus y plus b. So we are taking the number 7, which is equal to 0, and second number 5x minus y plus 24 equal to 0. That is the required equations. Thanks.